सस्टेनेबिलिटी आणि भरिल्लो केओस 2024 हे गोंयचो सगळ्यात व्हडलो कल्चरल इव्हेंट कल्चरल फेस्टिवल सध्या आयनॉक्स कोर्टयार्डान सुरू आसा आणि ह्या खासा कार्यावळींतल्यान आमी ह्या कल्चरल फेस्टिवलाची ग्लिम्सीस तुमच्या मुखार दवरतली. तर ह्या वर्साचे केओस 2024 कितें विशेष आसा, कितल्या भुरग्यांनी पार्टिसिपेट केला, या सगळ्या विशयी आमी ह्या खासा कार्यावळींतल्यान जाणून घेऊया.
My name is Rahil Chauhan and I am the event coordinator for the debate competition. Now, my perception of chaos as of last year at least, I had come and just watched chaos, how it was and all, and it was fun. But organizing, you really come to know how much of work and hard work goes in, and how many sleepless nights these people have spent, because it was not something that was put together in one day or 2 days. The planning has been going on since 2023, right from December. That's when we've had our first meetings, and from the early stages only, a few of them, like the core committee, has been working tirelessly. And watching them, they've like really inspired and also maybe a bit scared us regarding how difficult it could be to organize such a huge event. Of course, since it is known as Goa's biggest college festival. So my experience personally, for me, it was all smooth sailing, because as it was an offstage event, I did not have to bother too much regarding the stage timings. And of course, my participants also, I complimented that it went really well, and that at least for chaos, it was not how it generally happens, the misconceptions of events that and the misrepresentation of events that happen for other events, but how the authentic event was, right? Even for the orthodox formats that we followed, because of that, like it was one step above the other events for them, and they had a really pleasant experience. So that was it.
सो हे असे इव्हेंट्स असतात ते कॉलेज जे स्टुडंट्स असतात त्यांच्या खातीर कितले युजफूल लायक केओस.
This events like this are extremely useful for students, especially because it provides this holistic development that you would otherwise never receive. At least in our college, we have inter-class competitions only, so that helps us a lot. But over here, you really understand how you compete against the rest of Goa. Right now we have 9 competing colleges, and they're all putting up a very tough fight. So it's not like one college just takes it easy and wins either. It is like everyone's putting in their best efforts, and everyone's going to be really excited for the results tonight.
I'm associate professor आणि फॅकल्टी कोऑर्डिनेटर फॉर केओस 2024. आमचो कॉलेजचो खूब पोन्नो इव्हेंट आसा आणि 1998 स्टार्ट जाल्लो, सो ऑलमोस्ट 25 वर्सां जालीं आमी हो इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज करता. आणि ह्या वर्साची थीम आसा गोवन हेरिटेज. सो काल आमचो सुद्दां डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन आशिल्लें, तातूंत 9 कॉलेजी वचून पार्टिसिपेट जाल्या, आणि ताजी जी थीम आशिल्ली ती ट्रेडिशन आशिल्ली. सो कॉलेजींनी वेगवेगळे ट्रेडिशनल डान्स ऑफ गोवा, धालो, फोड्यो, दिवली डान्स, हे सगळे परफॉर्म केल्ले. आज इवन फॅशन शो तो सेम थीम आसा. सो हेरिटेज रिवायवल हाजेर फोकस आसा ह्या वर्साच्या टिमीचो. मेन एट्रॅक्शन हें की गोंयची वेगवेगळी हेरिटेज कशी दाखोवंक शकता ह्या यंग जनरेशनाक, आनी ते कशें रिस्पॉन्ड करता ताजेर आमचो फोकस आसा. सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस म्हणजे आमी सगळ्यांक इन्वायट धाडटा, आनी पार्टिसिपंटाचो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस प्रत्येक कॉलेज आपल्या तरेन करता. डिफिकल्टीज म्हणजे कितें आसा, येदे व्हडले इव्हेंट जावपाक म्हणल्यार कॉर्डिनेशनाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसताच, आनी मेन आमचे जे व्हॉलंटियर्स, स्टुडंट व्हॉलंटियर्स आसा तांचे बरें कॉपरेशन मेळटा आमकां. सो हो जो इव्हेंट आसता आमी फॅकल्टीच्या थ्रू कॉर्डिनेशन करताच, पूण प्रत्येक इव्हेंटाचे आमचे स्टुडंट कॉर्डिनेटर आसता, व्हॉलंटियर्स आसता, हांकां लागून हो इव्हेंट उबो रावंक शकता. रिस्पॉन्स एकदम बरो आसा. आमकां आमचे प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर मनोज कामत, आमचे वायस प्रिंसिपल, हांचे बरें सहकार्य मेळ्ळा. तांच्या गायडन्स आनी मार्गदर्शनान आमी हो सगळो इव्हेंट असो ऑर्गनायज करूंक शकल्या, आनी इतले भव्यतेन आमी करूंक शकल्या.
Gilbert Mendes, the assistant professor in management at Tempo College. We've realized that basically this year we're having it at Inox Courtyard, and last year we had it in the college itself. We've taken it a notch higher with participation of more than 9 colleges now this year. And with that, we've also seen that we've been able to touch on many aspects. One is culture. So all our events are focused on the theme of culture. We've also done a tie-up with an academy called Bodhi Academy, which talks about competitive exams. We focused on a lot of the real competition is all about competitive exams. How exactly that awareness is built up in about UPSC, GPSC in the students. So we've touched a lot of aspects in terms of touching on all grounds of the student's life through this event. So that is how we've taken it up. So I am in the second year in Tempo College right now. Before that I was working somewhere else, and I've seen this grow, and it's been a community-based effort of Tempo College family. The students work out every year and grow it every year. This year we've taken it one notch higher. Maybe next year we go regional or national with this call. So this event we've started preparing for this almost 3 months back. Students have been on the field. We have our very able GS, CS, the General Secretary, Cultural Secretary, and their entire team. We have a core team that works for Chaos. Besides that, we also have faculty coordinators who are coordinating. We have each faculty, 1 or 2 faculties taking care of one event. There are about 16, 17 events that are happening simultaneously in the last 2 days. And today is the culmination of it, and we will see many. We have a live band performing after this. This year we've avoided getting into more of EDM mode. We've gone more live performances. So yesterday we had a good band of Ryan and Niza, and today we will be having the True Blue band performing on stage. Besides that, we have all cultural events and different other kinds of student activities that are happening. The journey has been up and down. We will not deny that. It is always difficult to raise funds at this scale. Have the event at this scale. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to a good management, a good support from our management, from our principal, from the faculties involved, and with their support and with their encouragement, we get forward to complete this event.
Hi guys, my name is Shraddha Vangankar, and I'm the student of SS Tempo College, Kujira Bambole, and I'm the dance coordinator of this Chaos event. This is a really big event, and I really enjoyed it as a team member of this group. This theme itself, the Goan folk, which we have this time, is really great. Like we can showcase so many talents, so many styles of Goan. Like it's really great. And the students who are showcasing their talent, they are always like standing out and showing their talent, their form of dances, their fashion style is like incredible. And I hope this is a success event like we did it last year. Thank you so much.
म्हजें नाव असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर सायली शेनॉय. हांव तेंपोचें स्टुडंट पयलीं आनी आतां तांचे फॅकल्टी. 3 वर्सां हांवें एज अ स्टुडंट केओस केला, एज अ स्टुडंट कोऑर्डिनेटर खंयच्या कमिटीन, एंड नाव एज अ फॅकल्टी इट्स बीन 5 years आय एम टीचिंग, एंड इट्स माय सेकंड केओस. ह्या वर्सा एक नाविन्य म्हणजे वी हॅव फोकस्ड ऑन सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड स्किल्स, एंड वी नो दॅट बियॉन्ड जस्ट क्लासरूम्स स्टुडंट्स नीड टू लर्न हाव टू मॅनेज इव्हेंट्स, आनी आतां सगळे इट्स ऑल अबाउट स्किल्स इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड. सो भुरग्यांक वो एक्सपोजर दिवप, तांकां कशें प्लॅनिंग
टू वर्क अंडर समवन एल्स, लोकां कडेन कशें नेगोशिएट करून पयशे हाडून इव्हेंट करप, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवप ताजी, हे ती भुरगीं शिकता. अँड इट इज अ ग्रेट लर्निंग बियॉन्ड क्लासरूम. आनी दुसरें म्हणजे ह्या खेपेक आमचे ऑर्गनायझींग टीम आनी जे आमचे प्रिंसिपल आसा डॉक्टर मनोज कामत, तांचो एक फोकस आशिल्लो की आमी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हें हायलायट करुया, गोवाचो कल्चर हो हायलायट करुया. आनी ताका लागून आमचे सगळे कॉम्पिटिशन्साची जी थीम आसा हे गोंयचे दायज दाखोवप, आमी नांवांय आमच्या ब्रोशरान इंग्लीश आनी कोंकणी हे मुद्दम दवरला. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रमोटींग द गोवन कल्चर. अँड ॲज अ फॅकल्टी आय एम व्हेरी प्राऊड ऑफ आर इव्हेंट. आनी आमच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी खूप काम केलां आनी आमी केलां.
My name is Jessica, Assistant Professor Jessica Pereira, and I'm a faculty here at SS Dempo College. Chaos, as you know, is one of the biggest college events in the state, and we are very proud to be on the team. I'm an alumni of the college. I've studied here. As a student, the experience was more of enjoyment, watching, taking part. All that excitement was there as youth. But now being on the other side, you get to see all the hard work everyone's putting in, all the work everyone's putting in. And this time, our theme is something different. Our principal, Professor Dr. Manoj Kamath, he has put in a lot of thought getting into, selecting this team, focusing on Goa's culture, on our heritage. If you look at our competitions, if you look at the themes of each competition, there are so many things that me as a Goan, I have learned, seeing the different characters, different roles, different plays, different kinds of dances. Beautifully children have, portrayed it, showing in depth what is Goa, what is our culture. Being a Goan, also staying here my entire life, there's so much that there's left to learn. There's so much that, you need to know. And they've put it up so beautifully. And I feel like these kind of platforms are very important because they bring together the youth. Youth usually are not interested in this kind of stuff. It is not something that they will go for by themselves. So integrating it in things like such big events like Chaos brings together the attention which is required to be given by the youth. So it's an honor and privilege. It's my first year working here as a faculty, being on the other side, and I'm very proud, I'm very privileged to be on the other side and to be working together with everyone who has put in a lot of effort. I'm on the refreshment committee, so just handling 200 or so packages of bouncers, volunteers, teachers, it's a huge thing, and students are doing everything. All credit to them. Thank you.
केओस 2024 इज द गोवाज बिगस्ट यूथ फेस्टिवल, म्हणजे सगळ्यात व्हडलो स्टुडंट फेस्टिवल सगळ्या कॉलेजा भितर. आणि आज जवळ 9 ते 10 कॉलेजीसांनी पार्टिसिपेट केलां. 4 ते 6 हजार क्रावड गेल्या 2 दिसां आमी सतत आमकां मेळटा. आणि ह्या वर्साचो आमचो संबंद थीम जो आसा तो गोवाज कल्चर आणि सस्टेनेबिलिटी. केओस 2024 म्हणजे नॉलेज, ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी, स्किल्स आणि सस्टेनेबिलिटी ह्या थिमाचेर हो संबंद कार्यक्रम केला. स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय जावचो, संस्कृती कडेन लागिल्लो अशें गोंयकारपण लोकांक कळचें, यूथ ताका अट्रॅक्ट जावचो हाच्या खातीर हो एक म्युजीक, आर्ट अँड कल्चर फेस्टिवल केला. आणि तातूंत अशा पद्दतीचे प्रोग्राम दवरल्या की थंय सेल्फ एंटरप्रिनरशीप आणि स्किल्स हाका थंय एक पाठबळ मेळटलें. मुख्य म्हणजे अल्कोहॉल फ्री आणि ड्रग फ्री कॅम्पस करपाक, अल्कोहॉल फ्री आणि ड्रग फ्री म्युजीक एनवायरमेंट करपाक केओस 2024 म्हाका दिसता एक नवो मायलस्टोन दवरतलो सगळ्या कॉलेजा फुड्यान आणि गोंयच्या सगळ्या फेस्टिवला फुड्यान. आणि ज्या पद्दतीचो रिस्पॉन्स 4 ते 7 हजार लोकांचो गेल्या 2 दीस आमकां मेळटा. आणि ज्या पद्दतीचें ऑर्गनायझेशन आमचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी आणि ताच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन संबंध टिमान केला. एक भव्य दिव्य असो कार्यक्रम गोंयांतलो व्हडलो फेस्टिवलाक साजेसो आणि एस डेम्पो कॉलेजाक साजेसो असो फेस्टिवल केल्या बद्दल ह्या सगळ्या स्टुडंट व्हॉलंटियर्स ऑर्गनायझर्सांक हांव थम्सअप म्हणटा. सुंदर वाटचाल आसा ती, म्हणजे रायट फ्रॉम केओस. पण एका अर्थान मागीर सगळ्या कॉलेजाच्या फेस्टिवलाक एक गालबोट लागता, ड्रग्स, अल्कोहॉल आणि तातूंत जो बॅड कल्चर आणि गोंयचो विपरीत कल्चर लोकांक फुडें प्रेझेंट जाता असो सतत आरोप गोंयच्या सगळ्या फेस्टिवलाचेर जातालो. तो मोडून काडपाक तुमी आमी जर पळयला जबन थीम जाल्यार शिगमो आणि फोक डान्सीस हो थीम दवरला, फोक कल्चर हो दवरला, गोंयकारपण हो दवरला. आणि तातूंत थोडे आमी इव्हेंट्स अशे इंटलेक्च्युअल नॉलेज बेस्ड आणि स्कील बेस्ड दवरल्या. तातूंत आंत्रप्रनरशीप आणि स्किल्स ताचेर फोकस आसता. सो म्हाका दिसता हो संबंध केओस हो कल्चरल एक्टिविटी पयलीं जो आशिल्लो ताका एक एकेडमीक आणि स्कील बेस्ड लूक दिवपाक आमी सामके सक्सेसफूल जाला. आणि पीपल हॅव अप्रिसिएटेड इट इन अ लॉंग वे.